Complete guide to the iOS 18 passwords app. Now you know that with iOS 18 we got a new application in the process. That was the passwords app, which Apple claims that will help us manage our passwords much more easier way. So if you haven't already downloaded, download the official passwords app from your app store. Now once done, let's open the passwords app and see what we have. So first unlock with your Face ID, and here you can tap on continue. Normally all of the password that you save actually within your Apple ID will be there in this app. So you might think it is actually quite risky for you to store this app on your iPhone, so most people just uninstall it. Now here you can see passkeys. The passkeys are basically for some of the ones which you have added. So these are some of the services for which you added passkeys. For the codes, like backup codes or something, because sometimes maybe you want a verification or the backup code from Instagram, then that will get saved within this codes tab. Similarly, if you go to Wi-Fi, these are all of the password for Wi-Fi that you have saved. If you want to view the Wi-Fi password for a certain Wi-Fi that are connected from this iPhone ever, and all the history will be saved, so you can go ahead and remember that. You can filter them accordingly as well, and you can also choose to delete these, by the way. So it's not that you want to keep them, you can just try to forget them if you want to, right? Now let's go to the next tab, that is security. These are basically for some of the passwords that the passwords app think is compromised, and it is giving you a suggestion to change it. So if that's what you wanted, it's perfectly fine. And as for the other ones, you'll find them here. As for all the passwords that you've saved, maybe for different type of services like Wi-Fi settings or social media apps or so on, you'll find them right here. And this is simply what the password apps is all about. If you want to uninstall password app because maybe you feel that it's not really safe for you to have it, you can just long press on it, tap on remove app, and also completely delete the app. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.